It's been 2 weeks since Alex top dressed his lawn. Let's see how it's recovering. Hello YouTube. Welcome to Project Golf Course Lawn Season 5, and this is episode 11 of the Fix My Ugly Lawn series. So at this point, just to recap, it's been 2 weeks since the lawn was top dressed. You guys saw the 1 week update. If you guys have not seen how the lawn is recovering from like 1 week to today, be sure to check that out. And I guess Alex, as far as top dressing, is the lawn recovering faster, or is it taking longer or shorter than you thought it would?
It's definitely shorter than I thought it would. I was anticipating 2 to 3 weeks for recovery, but it seems to be bouncing back quite well. So I think all the fertilization from after aerating it was well worth it.
Nice. Well, let's take a tour. Give you guys a tour of how the lawn's coming back. So as you can see, Alex just mowed, because you know how he is, man. He's not gonna let you guys see the lawn outside of being in top condition. He literally just put the Tru Cut on it. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing that stripe action, but let's get over here and take a moment to appreciate that. That is pretty sweet, guys. That is pretty sweet. And what's the secret? It's all about?
It's the Tru Cut.
Tru Cut, regular and consistent mowing, right?
Consistent mowing after you get that mower, definitely. Every 2 days is about what we're doing here.
Yeah.
Not letting the grass get too tall.
Yeah, and you guys can see, I mean, from top dressing, that is, that's coming in really nicely. Again, guys, this is only 2 weeks, 2 semanas, 2 weeks since it's been top dressed, and you see how she's coming back already. Vanity Strip 2.0, take you guys down here and give you a quick peek at that. You can see that is filled in quite a bit between last week and this week. So again, all this heat that we've been getting in Georgia has definitely helped. And again, like I told you guys in my top dressing day video, Alex and I've got it figured out. If you guys are getting too much rain where you guys are, have us come top dress your lawns, because as soon as we do, the rain's gonna stop, I promise you. We've gotten 1 day of rain since top dressing the lawn, so
yep, definitely.
Thank goodness for irrigation, right?
Yep.
All right, so let me take you guys around to the rest of the lawn. You guys can see how this is coming in. Again, looking very, very nice, recovering very well. You can see the side lawn now. That's doing quite well. Of course, Alex, he had to go lay down the stripes for you guys lengthways today. And what I'm most happy with is this area right in here, this middle section where we heavily top dressed the lawn. That is growing back very, very nicely, guys. I mean, again, I really attribute that to that nitrogen hit that we put on the lawn, as well as Alex not messing around on his mowing. And then Vanity Strip 2.0, you guys can see it in all its glory, coming back nice and strong. I think another week and a half, 2 weeks, it should be fully recovered. Now, we're gonna take you guys to like the best part of the lawn. I'm sure you're ready for this, but here we go, up to the back lawn.
Come on, guys.
This is the area of the lawn I am most happy with. Again, not 100% yet, but overall, guys, look at that. I mean, I'm just gonna take you guys down here so you guys can not see my face, but see how gorgeous that lawn is coming in. Let's turn a little bit here, give you guys some of that stripe action from this angle. Again, this is 2 weeks since top dressing, and you really wouldn't know it. I mean, there's a couple of spots here, like for example, right in here, where Alex added some more play sand just to try and build that up some. But
I definitely need to add more as well. It's really low here, so.
Yeah, so I mean, so I guess as far as other areas outside of this, are there any other spots that you also think you want to add some more play sand to?
Throughout the yard, there's high and low spots here and there, especially where the irrigation was added. Kind of had to build up that little mound, just to kind of smoothing it out.
Right.
But yeah, as you're mowing it, you'll come to see what's high, what's low, and where to add it. So.
And that's the secret, guys. That's the point. Like, top dressing is not a one and done process. I mean, really, there's a reason why golf courses do it typically annually, sometimes more than once a year, because you level the lawn. And especially, I mean, we did sand, so this should last a little bit longer, but the lawn is gonna get wear from rain, from people being on it, from mowing it. So top dressing, I guess from here on out, is gonna be like an iterative process where we're trying to slowly improve the quality of the turf. It just takes time to get better, but as you can see, Alex is embracing the challenge and his lawn is looking pretty awesome for it.
Definitely coming together.
Yeah, definitely coming together, definitely going in the right direction. Well, guys, that is what we wanted to share with you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you are not yet a subscriber and have not seen the entire Fix My Ugly Lawn series, guys, you're missing out. Go back to episode 1 because it covers from beginning to end how we turned a typical lawn that most of you guys probably have into a lawn that looks like this. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Please like, share this content. And if there's anything we can help with, definitely leave a comment below. Appreciate you guys taking some time out of your day to look at us and see how the lawn is progressing. Really appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.